this Sunday afternoon. We had lots of fun after the blizzard, digging our car out after we got stuck in our driveway at both ends of our driveway, and we ended up having to have a neighbor come and plow us out. But we made it through and then headed over to my mom's house where we met our kids there, and we dug out my mom so she could get to her mailbox and we could pull in the driveway in case of an emergency. So here's some beautiful pictures of the snow in New Jersey. We had in our surrounding area anywhere from 14 to 22 inches. There's my little golf cart, looks so tiny over there in the snow. There's my kids helping out at my mom's house and me standing there after digging quite a bit out. I was exhausted, taking a 5-minute break. My husband jumped in and helped. We had a lot of fun together as a family. And then we had to make some chicken and dumplings. I had a bag of chicken given to me, and we really don't like chicken legs, so I cooked them down in the crock pot and then pulled them apart, and you can see how much chicken I got from 4 chicken legs. I took half of it and I used leftovers that I had in the fridge. I had some roasted carrots. I had a half a jar of gravy. I used the broth that I got out of the crock pot from the chicken legs when I cooked them, and then I just added some spices and a can of peas, and then I made some dumplings out of heavy cream and self-rising flour and salt and pepper and some baking powder. It was delicious. It warmed up the bones and it made a ton of food. We all had 2 bowls for dinner, and then I still have enough for us to have a second dinner and possibly even a lunch, just all from 2 chicken legs and bits and pieces found in the fridge. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Happy Sunday. We'll catch you all on the next video. Thanks for coming over with At Home with Lynn Wilson.